here's how to reset the oil light on a Ford Fiesta. And this works for many other models as well. You just need to have this trip button right over here. So first thing you'll do is you want to be at your odometer. If you're not, turn your key to on and then hit this trip button all the way until the odometer shows up, and then turn the car back off. So once you're at the odometer and the car is off, this is where you'll start. So you're going to want to do 2 clicks while pushing the brake and holding the reset button. All 3 of those need to be done at the exact same time. And you wait a little while and it'll say test. Let me show you. All right, let's push the brake. Hold this trip down and 2 clicks. It's gonna make the noise. There you go, test. All done. And now your oil reset light is set. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.